Hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing this DIY glam wall hanging. These are the items you'll need to complete this project. The information on where I got these items will be listed down in the description box below, so please be sure to check that out. So I started off by unwrapping my canvas from the plastic. So I'm using those two empty Eco gel bottles to rest the canvas so that I can spray paint the canvas. It also makes it easier for when you're done to move it into a spot where it can get light so that you don't rest your hand on the wet paint. So this is the bright chrome spray paint that I showed you earlier. You would have seen me spray paint the sides of the canvas first, and I took that bright chrome spray paint up past the half mark for the canvas, and now I'm doing the white spray paint and I'm trying to create an ombre effect in the middle where the white and the bright chrome meets. Shout out to my mother for being the videographer here. Now that the canvas has been spray painted, we'll put it in the sun to dry for about half an hour. Okay, so we're back with a dried canvas, and now we're going to take our paintbrush, our glitters, and our glue to get this started. Here I'm taking my craft glue to create a straight line down the middle. Then I'm taking my paintbrush to feather out that glue on both sides of the canvas. So on the side with the white, I'm feathering it out, and then you'll see me do the same on the silver side as well. So you should have something like this. Now I'm taking my chunky glitter and I'm just going to drop that down the middle where we placed the glue. Then I'm going to go in with my less chunky glitter, and I'm just going to sprinkle that in the middle and all the way out to the part that we feathered out. Now I'm going in with the finer glitter, and this really adds a lot of detail to this wall hanging. So you just sprinkle this all over the canvas where we put the glue. The gold glitter is optional, but I'm extra, so I'm going to put some gold. And there we have it, you guys, our very own DIY glam wall hanging. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this video, and if you'd like to see more, just please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll work something out. Thank you guys for watching. If you decide to recreate this wall hanging, please be sure to tag me on Facebook or on Instagram, because I'd love to see what you came up with.